Come with us to the market.
Let's go.
Go.
Uh-huh.
Go.
Oh, it's a cow. You see the cow in the river?
Cow? Mwah, 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 mwah,
It's
mwah,
a
mwah.
food.
Eat my. Mwah.
It's a food.
A poo.
Okay.
Our municipal. Buying here at Udis, guys. Udis. At Chimpa. I know. From the TV crew.
Yeah, when we did the show, the crew had these. These are very delicious. We didn't know where to get them.
Chicken kami na. Chicken, isa ka buo. One
Dahil
whole
lang
chicken.
chicken dahil.
Also potatoes, carrots, bell pepper, curry powder.
I think they have black pepper here.
Preferably not the powder.
The big one.
Right?
Anak, not the powder?
No, I'm looking for the whole black pepper.
Oo. Saka buo.
No, baby, what's
Whole
wrong?
chicken. Then akong friend. Getting black pepper, but there's no small ones here. But maybe... Oh, they have here. Small black pepper. But he said not the powder. Very good. Are, whole black pepper. Paprika. That's it.
Oh, okay.
No. She's like, open Dada!
Ice cream.
How do you say open? You say open?
Got here.
Yeah, you say please? Abo. She's got her hands together. Please.
Please, Dad, got bread. My favorite. We got hot dog and chicken. We're done buying. But I'm gonna get banana Q on the way home because I'm craving banana Q. Put it inside there.
Hold on. Hey, see Dada?
So guys, si Daddy. Let's go. I'm here. I'm gonna buy banana Q. Tagpila ni Nong? 15. Apat. 4. Just stop by to this market here, the real market, to grab some carrots and potatoes.
Bell pepper.
Hello. Rina si Tita. Hi, ta. Hi. Mabaka ako ta carrots.
About dummy.
Look at their carrots. Look at their carrots.
Ooh, wow. Good carrots. Ay, isa lang, Bob.
San? Ay, duwa? Kag potato. They got banana. Gonna get banana. Midnight loves banana. 2 banana.
Kita naman yung G-boy.
Hi ka, G-boy.
Starring na ginto may kay nanang ba?
2 ka saging. Banana. Wow.
Ice cream, tapos banana.
We're home now. Gonna eat the banana Q first.
Oo, ara naman ako. Maagi naman sa...
Banana Q, guys. Mida, you want? You don't want?
Ulang siya ng midnight TV daw.